Today marks a remarkable achievement for Xact Vu restoration. With great pleasure, we stand before you to celebrate the completion of another exceptional project. From the initial assessment to the final touches, our team has dedicated themselves to restoring this property to its original splendor. Through our innovation techniques and unwavering commitment to quality, we will not only restore the building, but also renew hope and confidence.
Hey, I'm Sarah. I work with Procure Real Estate, and we worked with Efren and his team with a massive flood and restoration process that we had to go through. We were restoring about 28 suites and very large amenity areas. We're standing in one of them. They did an amazing job at hitting all the deadlines and went above and beyond at delivering everything even before deadlines were met.
We want to express our sincerest gratitude to our esteemed adjuster, cost controller, and of course, our real estate client. Your collaboration and support were instrumental to the success of this project. Without your expertise and partnership, we wouldn't have achieved such outstanding results.
My first flood that I've had to deal with, luckily, as a part of the restoration or residential property management team. Efren and his crew has been amazing. Finished product is looking very good, better than even when we had it first built, I would say. And
to our incredible team, your hard work, expertise, and unwavering dedication have been the driving force behind this success. Each one of you has played a vital role, and we're deeply grateful for your commitment to excellence.
Their communication was fantastic. We were always able to communicate really easily with them, and they were very forthcoming with deadlines and materials and when suites would be ready. They were also super helpful as we were having to relocate 28 residents after the flood.
Very easy to communicate with, has jumped on all our asks and all our touch-ups. And
they were great with working around our residents to get the demolition started as soon as possible, but also take into consideration that we were kind of working around people and their current homes.
It's good to know you have a team that you can count on when things go south.
Here's to celebrating our collective achievement and to many more successful collaborations in the future. We are the Xact Vu.